In this video, we're going to learn how to fix login error in Starz application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a secure network. And by doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you're facing any other kinds of problem while logging in, you can simply go to your settings, and here you want to scroll down and click on General, click on iPhone Storage, and you want to scroll down and navigate the Starz application. Click on Show All, and you want to scroll down until you see the Starz application. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Tap on Offload App again and reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any login errors. However, if there's any other problem with the application, you can simply uninstall the app and install it again. However, if there's any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further issues, make sure to leave a comment down below.